Okay, Dream Girl take two.
Wake up.
Floating on air.
Wake up.
I'm floating on air.
Wake up.
My dream girl. Dream girl. Dream girl. Touch me, be my sun, my moon, my earth, my light, my one. Whenever she touches me with her sweet caress, it leaves my mind in a state of undress. Naked, lay her thoughts upon a bed of emotion. I lie to myself, thinking it's infatuation. Tell me, is this where all things meet? Do my dreams lay underneath your silk sheets? Or is this charade, a test to fool my heart? If so, spare me the torture, boy, it tears me apart. Dream girl. Dream girl. Dream girl.
Fly to me. In my head is where I'll see you. Never far to give you a clue. The crew, definition of sounds good. Treat the music different. Wish you could get on a canoe, float downstream. Watch the stars gleam like me. I like to dream too. The image in my mind is you. Who? I don't really know. I'm out of this world. I'll find you, dream girl. Dream girl.
Girl, heart, tell me why my dreams torture me so. Tell me the reasons why I've lost the keys to my soul. Why does she bang a drum to a song I can't sing? There can be no logic to the way she makes me think. I can't breathe when she's near. Silence strikes me. The well of my discontent is deepened by her beauty. Across the desert plain of my thoughts, she rode a black stallion and left my breath short. Storms rain as like a wind, her love past my soul. Into an abyss I fall, yet still my nature glows. Oh, show me all the stars and moon of your world. This is all I'd ask of you, dream girl.
Becomes reality. She's looking at me, which is good to see. I agree, I've got to approach. So I sneak up close, give her some lingo, tell her she's beautiful, so we can be fruitful. Truthfully speaking, you're what I'm seeking. So come around this weekend, and we can talk about life and seeing what